In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get rich fast and progress fast in trading. This isn't a fairy tale, it's a battle. You'll need focus, discipline, and a plan to win. If you are ready, let's dive in. Trading, the ultimate dream of financial freedom. The promise of turning small money into massive wealth, all while working from anywhere in the world. But first of all, let's get one thing straight. Most traders fail. Why? Because they chase shortcuts, gamble recklessly, and underestimate the game they are playing. You need to stop thinking like the 90% who lose. Trading isn't about chasing profits, it's about mastering emotions. And here's the reality. You will face losses and every loss is a lesson. And patience is a superpower in trading. The market doesn't care about your timeline, so don't force trade that doesn't fit your setup. Confidence comes from discipline, not luck. Stick to your rules no matter what happens. Remember one thing, you are not here to win every trade. You are here to play consistently and let your edge play out over time. Not all markets are created equal. To grow your wealth, pick one that suits you. Stocks, best for steady growth, less risk, but slower wealth building. Forex, high leverage, massive opportunities, but high volatility. Crypto, explosive moves, but unpredictability, and very highly speculative. Now options, small investment, massive returns if you know the math. Stick to one market and master it. Jumping between them will only slow you down. The secret to getting rich fast in trading is nothing but simplicity. Most traders fail because they try to learn too many strategies. You only need one. Let's break it down. Find a high probability setup. For example, breakout strategy. Wait for price to break a key resistance level with strong volume and enter on the retest. Stick to a risk-reward ratio of 1:3. If you are risking 1000, aim to make 3000 in the single trade. This way, even if you lose 40% of the time, you will still be profitable. Third, control your risk. Never risk more than 2% of your account on a single trade. This protects you from major losses and giving your edge time to play. Master this one strategy until it becomes second nature. And here's the game changer, compounding. Let's say you start with 1 lakh rupees and aim to grow it just by 5% per month. In the first month, you will make only 5000 rupees. But after 12 months, your account will grow up to 1,80,000. And here's the magic. After 5 years, the same account can grow over 10 lakh, even with the modest returns. The key, consistency. Small, steady gains add up over time. And once you have built the confidence and consistency, scale up. Start trading with 5 lakh or 10 lakh, or even more. The bigger the capital, the bigger the returns. Now let's talk about what not to do. These mistakes will change your chance of success. Overtrading, taking random trades out of your setup. Revenge trading, trying to win back losses immediately. This leads to emotional indecisions and bigger chance of loss. And third, ignoring your stop loss. A single trade without a stop can wipe out weeks of profits. Fourth, signal dependency. Relying on someone else to provide signals or tips will ruin your confidence in trading. The best way to avoid all these traps, create a plan and stick to it. Treat trading like a business, not a casino. And if you really want to accelerate your journey, use these hacks. Trade high volume sessions or stocks. Focus on time where the market is most active, like the opening hours or major news release. Leverage new events. Big news create massive moves. If you can read the trend, these are opportunities for quick profits. Backtest your strategies. Use tools to approach on past data. This show you what works and what don't. You must use this before risking your real money. And fourth, follow the big players' activity. Watching institutional activity like bulk trades or unusual options activity. The big money moves the market. Success in trading isn't random. It's built on routine. Here's the daily schedule of a successful trader. Before market opens, prepare your watch list. Analyze pre-market and late night moves and set your alerts. During market hours, focus on your plan. Don't chase anything and don't panic. After market closes, review your trade, journal your emotions, and learn from mistakes that you did today. Remember, consistency in your routine builds consistency in your results. And let me ask you one thing, how do you react to losses? Do you get frustrated or do you analyze what went wrong? Well, the truth is, controlling emotions is the biggest trading skill ever you need. And here's how to master it. Detach from outcomes. Focus on the process, not the profit. Use visualization. Picture yourself executing trades perfectly even during bad times. Celebrate small wins. Remember, not perfection. Progress is the goal. The market doesn't care about your feelings. It rewards the discipline and punishes the impulsiveness. Now, after all this, let's get real. Trading can make you rich, but it's not easy. You'll face losses, self-doubts, and days where nothing works. But the rewards are worth the struggle. The secret isn't about winning every trade. It's about being consistent, managing risk, and letting time to work in your favor. If you are ready to take control of your journey, remember this: every great trader started as a loss maker. The difference is they didn't quit when it got hard. Also, you can follow me as I am on 30 days trading series generalizing my trade, and if you want to really see that how I am trading my Indian markets. So can you get rich fast in trading? Absolutely, but not by gambling or chasing profits. You'll get there by mastering your mindset, perfecting your strategy, and staying disciplined. Also, if you want to see how I lost 50,000 in trading, you can watch the video.